you for joining us this week. We're celebrating Joelle's fourth birthday. Oh my God, it's been 4 years. We're taking a day trip to Mississippi. We're actually going to an indoor water park. We are looking forward to it. It's an hour drive away, an hour and 15 minutes. So join us.
Jojo! Jojo is woo!
And let me tell you, the kids had so much fun. They have this shallow area that is perfect for the little ones. They have a big slide as well, a big winding slide that Jerome enjoyed. He came down it several times. I don't know if I have enough for that, but trust me, the kids enjoy themselves. We enjoy ourselves. Outside was 48 degrees, but inside this enclosed water park, it was 83 degrees. It was awesome.
Ready, set, go! Woo! Come here, Mom. I'm gonna meet you over there. Now go down the slide, Mom. Go on, now come meet you. Go down the slide. Go! It's okay. Come on, Yaya. Come. Yaya, come. Come to Auntie. Come. Whoa. Come back, Jojo. Hi. Good family fun. So happy we did this. It's 48 degrees outside, but it's 80 something degrees in here. Happy birthday to Jojo! Back. She looks at you. You? Whistle for mommy. Whistle. Not the way how mommy. The way how you and daddy know how to whistle.
And guess what too? This weekend I got in some self-care. My self-care has been on E. I got my nails done, and my usual thing is getting my nails done. Then I go straight to PJ's Coffee. That's the only place I get coffee from. And I get myself a caramel granita. Once I have my PJ's Coffee and I have my good book, that is all the self-care that I need. Anyways, what is your self-care routine? Thank you guys for watching so much. Remember to like, share, subscribe. Let me know, what do you do for self-care? What is your self-care routine?